So as for the last number, we have a piecewise function of h. 3x cubed plus 4x squared minus 5x if x is less than or greater than or equal to negative 5. 3x minus 7 over x minus 4 if if x is greater than negative 5 and less than negative 9. X plus 8 over x cubed plus 4x squared plus 8x if x is greater than or equal to 9. So, kuhanin muna natin yung function. So, yung x equals to,
pag matakpan.
yung x equals to, nag-ano siya dito sa, basta nasa-satisfy niya yung condition na to. X is greater than negative 5 but less than negative 9. So we will use this function. So h, function of h equals 3x minus 7 over x minus 4. Times natin yung 2 sa, substitute natin yung 2 sa x. So, 3 times 2 minus 7 over 2 minus 4 equals 6 minus 7 over negative 2 equals negative 1 over negative 2. The answer will be negative. The answer will be 1/2 because para sila negative. Then, we'll proceed to the limit function. So, para malaman natin kung ano yung gagamitin natin dito, function, kailangan muna natin i-satisfy yung mga conditions. So, limit of function as x approaches to negative 2. 2 from the left. So, nasa-satisfy niya yung condition na to. Then, yung from the right naman. So, nasa-satisfy niya rin yung condition na to. So, yung gagamitin natin function dito sa limit of as x approaches to is ito rin. So, limit of function x as x approaches to is equals to 3x minus 7 over 4. Then, substitute ulit natin yung 2 sa x. So, 3 times 2 minus 7 over 2 minus 4 equals 6 minus 7 over negative 2 equals negative 1 over negative 2. Para sila negative, so the answer will be positive 1/2. Equal yung function, tsaka yung limit functions. So, continue siya at x equals 2.